guys, how you doing? This is Charlie from Track Beast. So I want to review this video. Right now I'm in beautiful Florida, but I'm introducing the video I did with my Grand Sport C6 Grand Sport Corvette. Bone stock drivetrain with a few chassis modifications, which I list in previous videos. And it was November, mid-November, so it was one of the last track days at Limerock. It was about 60 degrees. It was a gorgeous sunny day. It was about the last session, and I was driving, and there was no one really to challenge or be challenged by. But then I looked in my mirror and I saw something charging at me really fast from behind. So I ended up, it had like fog lights on, so that's what caught my attention. So I was getting closer and closer. So then I upped my game to try to keep my distance. I knew it was about 4 laps to go, 5 laps to go before the finish. So I upped my game and got it, and I kept my distance, and then I hit a little traffic in the S's, which is really hard to pass, and the cars held me up, and this BMW, full race BMW, ended up being, it was an M3, full cage, slicks, the whole works. And he caught me really close. So it got held up by a couple of cars. And I only had 2 more laps to go before the checkered, and I didn't want him to pass me, and he really wanted to pass me. But I never hold anyone up. If they're faster than me and they put up a challenge, I'll point them by. You know, good for you. But if I can hold them off legitimately without slowing him down, I'm going to do it. And you'll see the results. A lot of fun. Hope you enjoy. I'll do a recap at the end. guys, how you doing? So you saw the video. I held off the M3, and if it wasn't for the traffic, I think I would have easily just kept my distance from him. But he really got close when that GT500 slowed me down on the back straightaway going up the hill. I mean, he was basically alongside of me. But there is so much torque in a stock Grand Sport, you know, with the LS3, that 430 pounds of torque, that in the back straightaway, I would eat him alive. I would pull on him every time. And getting on the front straightaway, just the torque of that car, the aerodynamics of that car goes through the wind so quick, he didn't have a chance. And if it wasn't for that GT500 and also that orange Corvette that held me up a lot, I think I would have been able to hold him off very, very easily with no problem. And that was a full-blown track car. That was a 100% full-blown track car. He trailered that car, and I drove my car there. So C6s, C5s, C7s, awesome cars. Now I'm in Florida, and I just came from Sebring, and I put G3Rs on instead of always running with the G3s. And I said in a couple of my videos, I think I need R tires to keep up with the faster cars. So I put the G3Rs on, and what a transformation. I was running with Porsche GT3s, I was running with Porsche turbos, I was running with C8s, cars that would normally blow my doors off. So keep tuned. There's going to be a lot of those videos coming up shortly, probably one a week in the next couple of weeks. Also, please subscribe if you like, and also press the like button if you like what you see. Have a great day, and I'll talk to you soon.